Hi, I'm Dan Hanlon.
And I'm Darren Peck of Indiana Restoration and Cleaning Services. We want you to feel comfortable with the company you choose, so please visit our website to learn more about our company and our staff.
We understand that you didn't expect to need a company like ours to help you out in this time of need. We not only specialize in restoring things, we specialize in putting people's lives back together from unexpected losses.
One of the things that's unique about our company are the daily emails that you can expect to receive from the project manager updating you what happened today and what's going to happen tomorrow.
For over 20 years, we have been helping people just like yourself get their lives back to normal. On behalf of the employees of Indiana Restoration and Cleaning Services, we want to thank you for giving us the opportunity to work for you. For 20 years, we have helped people just like yourself get their lives back to normal.